My next pickup is the Adidas ClimaCool in the crisp white colorway. So this entire sneaker is 3D printed, and it's printed using something called the lattice structure, which pretty much makes this sneaker strong enough and durable to be worn. This sneaker is the first colorway, like I said, in crisp white, and we did see these earlier in 2024 and they released in a limited run. I got this release from Kith way before the general release. So these general released May 2025. I got these at Kith in New York City, I think in April, like a month early. So I'm assuming this might have been a leftover pair from the drop from 2024, because the worker did say he had these on shelf for a while and nobody was buying these. I have not put these on outside for everyday wear yet, but I have tried them on, and I do recommend going up a full size or even a size and a half, because these are 13.5 and I'm normally a 12, but I do wear 13s because I like to have a loose fitting, and I had to get these in a 13 and a half. So yeah, do with that what you will. I'm pretty sure possibly you can find these in store to try on, but these do retail for $140, which is a great price, especially for a shoe of the future that's all 3D printed. But yeah, Adidas ClimaCool 2025, crisp white colorway. I will definitely be putting these on in the summer and in the spring.